Imagine walking into your classroom and your teacher is a computer. Sounds wild, right? But AI is already here, helping kids write, solve, and learn faster than ever. Is that a good thing or a hidden problem? Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Tech Current, your place to see how technology flips old ideas upside down. This is episode 2 of our Tech Disruptors series, where we break down big breakthroughs that change how we live, learn, and work. Last time, we flew into the world of drones, and today, we're landing in the classroom, where artificial intelligence is the newest disruptor. Is AI the best thing for our schools, or a secret troublemaker? From robot tutors to hidden risks, let's find out. And hey, if you love simple tech stories, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's next. AI isn't just sci-fi anymore. ChatGPT, Gemini, they write essays, solve math, summarize textbooks. It's a tiny tutor in your pocket. In medicine, students practice with synthetic ECGs, fake heart signals made by AI to train on rare cases. Language students check pronunciation with AI chatbots. Quizzes get graded by AI instantly, saving teachers hours. Remember calculators? People feared kids would forget real math, but calculators let us solve bigger problems. AI might be the same, scary at first, powerful when used smartly. But there's a catch. Some students cheat, copying whole projects. Some teachers stop designing lessons and overuse AI. All that data. If schools aren't careful, who's peeking in? Students love AI for quick help, but want rules to know when it's fair. Teachers want real training. Schools with clear rules, smart teachers, and honest chats do best. AI shouldn't run wild. Should we ban AI? Most say no. The smart path is to guide it. AI can do the boring stuff, grading, so teachers have time for the magic, helping kids think bigger. Someday, AI might translate lessons instantly so every kid understands. But we'll still need strong teachers to lead the way. So what about you? If you had an AI helper, would you love it or lock it away? Tell us in the comments. We read them all. If you liked this, smash that like button and subscribe. This was episode 2 of Tech Disruptors. Next time, in episode 3, we'll explore digital twins, a tech that builds your virtual copy to test ideas before they're real. See you soon.